Hello, I'm here again with another tutorial about webhooks, Quriobot, and in this time integromat. I'm making small tutorials because there are a lot of people that think that if it's a too large tutorial, then it's hard to understand. So little by little, small tutorials, so you guys will understand what the meaning is. I will show you what the results are before we start to show you how you have to build it. Preview. And we start the bots. Again, it's a very simple bot. Ready to go. Yes. Alright, let's go. What's your name? First name. What's your second name? What's your email? Must make no sense at all, but it's just to show you that it works. See the email, first name, last name. Okay, the last video I showed you how it was possible to do this with Zapier, but integromat is cheaper. You can have 1,000 inputs per month for free. So I will show you how you can do that. First, of course, you have to have an integromat account. When you have that, then you have to make a scenario. You have to choose. First, you have to choose webhooks, custom webhooks. Then you have to add a webhook, and you can also create a new one. It doesn't matter at all. You have to copy the link, set this to maximum numbers of results on 5, for example, but you can also increase it. Then go to Quriobot, and it was the last time that we did it with Zapier. It's exactly the same. The only difference is that now we have made the choice of integromat, and we paste the link here. When you have done that, you have to go return to integromat and choose Google Sheets. You see, you can add a new tool. There are so many tools that you can use. Click on it. There's add row. This one you have to choose. Connect with your Google accounts and select the sheets. In this case, this is the name. And this is the sheet. You find it here onderaan the paragraph. Blad 1, that's in my case. When you've done that, table contains headers, yes. You click on here, you select email, and first name, by first name you select first name, and by last name you select last name. If you have a translation, if you, for example, in France, then put it on the default language. If you want to know if it's working, then you have to push the button run once. And when you push the button run once and you go to check out if the bot works, then you will see the results. If you don't check run once, it won't work. When everything is fine and it's going the way you like it, then you have to put this on. Then you're ready. So last time I showed you with Zapier, we had to make steps. Bot settings, variables, and we have made all those steps. And the numbers were connecting with the bot steps. You can see the previous video where I made it with Zapier, so it's the same thing. Next video I will show you guys how you can collect data from Google Docs and give a response in the bot. So for example, somebody asks for rule 6b, then that will be the answer. Thank you and see you next time, and I hope you give me thumbs up and subscribe because that will really help me. Bye.